Thank you, baby. Hello guys, so this is Marmorino KS, Cacha Cruda, Marmorino KS. This is Cacha Cruda. What we're doing is gonna be a super elegant staircase that we're doing in a custom grade to make it look like somewhat of cement. So now I'm gonna seal it with soapstone natural sealer. Come back nice and tight. And then I'm gonna come back with a rag and start cleaning it up in a bit. Come back. Always put your product right on top of your steel again. Come back. Nice and tight. Main thing is nice and tight. You don't want to leave it too thick. Thick meaning like this thick. You don't want that. So you always want to do it nice and tight. Remember, even if you wax it, you can mess it up by waxing it wrong. So when this dries, it's gonna dry back to its natural color, probably 2% darker when you wax things, and then you come back and you buff it. Very easy to do. Why do we seal it? Because look, I'm gonna wet my finger. We touch it, it gets dark. Meaning that it needs to be sealed because it's a real lime plaster, stone finish on your walls. That's why we seal products. Of course, it makes it feel better too. It takes away that dry feel on the wall. So when you seal walls, you want to make sure you seal everything. You don't want to skip parts because if not, when you skip parts, it will be noticeable when you skip parts. So you don't want that at all. So this is for another project that I'm doing as well. So I'm doing multiple projects at the same time. So this is a lighter Marmorino KS that we have for another client. And it takes the same sealer. This sealer is basically not to make it so shiny. When they want an authentic look, this is the sealer we use. Nice and tight. Now remember, because it's a matte Venetian plaster, this becomes more like a sponge than the shiny one. That's why it's very important we seal it as well. Because if we don't seal it, it's easier to get dirty on the walls or the ceiling, whatever it is. Sorry about the noise, guys. This is a real warehouse where we real work, so it is what it is. Okay, so basically, I have the smooth and I have the texture look. I come back with a white rag, or you come back with the polisher and start wiping it down. You take out any extra excess that it's falling into the cracks or whatever it is, you know, and you remove it. And of course, this is still way too wet. We're gonna leave it alone, let it dry by itself, or I could put a fan on it. But if you notice, too much samples to do that in. I'll let them all dry, cut them up, label them, boom, see client.